Any skincare product that is cheap, run. You cannot like apply these things on your skin and you go into the sun. It's like you're frying pop-off. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Chechi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for sticking around with me. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a rundown of creams, its effects, its benefits, and if it can lighten your skin or damage your skin. Let's get right into this video.
For 30 days, you can see now it's peeling off, and this is December period. So your instant body wash, your whitening instant body wash, it's very effective.
So guys, I know that I've said this a couple of times on my channel. I've been in situations where I wanted to lighten my skin, and as you can see from that video, people go to extreme measures to lighten their skin. But it's not a bad thing. It's your skin. You can decide what you want to happen to it. But there are very underlying health issues that comes with this, and we should be aware of that. Let me even explain what bleaching is. Bleaching is you using chemicals and steroids like hydroquinone, kojic acid, and the rest to get rid of the melanin production on your skin, which in turn is going to make you lighter. So that is what skin bleaching is. As you can see from the video, the woman immersed herself into this wash, this body wash that was going to wash up the upper layer of her skin, because that's what it's doing. It's not reducing the melanin, it's not gradually reducing the production of melanin. Instead, it is like scraping the upper layer of her skin off. And people do this all the time. So there are some creams that are in the market. They are very popular. I have tested some, I've used some myself, and people tend to use it very often, and it can damage your skin. That's just the truth. The first of such cream is Carotenoids. So people have even told me that, okay, Carotenoids is like not a bleaching cream, it's a cream that's going to remove your hyperpigmentation. But the truth is that most of these creams contain hydroquinone, steroids, mercury, kojic acid. And let me make something clear. It's not as if kojic acid or hydroquinone is not approved by the agency for regulation of these products. It's not as if they are not approved. They are actually approved, but there are percentages and there are ingredients they are not supposed to come in contact with. But majority of skincare brands, especially very high cosmetic brands, they go as far as using a lot of quantity of these products because they want their product to lighten faster, and which means more sales. I don't blame them for that. They want to make money. So Carotenoids has been widely used by a lot of people, and there has been very interesting complaints. People complain of their stretch mark increasing. People complain of getting itchiness of the body, getting discoloration. And this is because it's a bleaching cream, you all. It's bleaching. Like the next one is Caro White. Like I have issue with this Caro stuff. Like they're all the same thing. They're also Caro White is also lightening. It's also a lightening cream. People say that it cleanses their skin, it makes them lighter. But I always say there's a difference between when you see someone that bleach and when you see someone that is naturally light skin. There's always a difference. The skin color doesn't look natural. Some have sunburns, some have dark marks. It's never ever the same. There's always some disparity between the skin. Another one is White Secret. Now this, I have a confession. I've actually used this White Secret on my skin, and it wasn't nice. Like I used it, like when you buy the White Secret, you're going to see like different shades of color. They're going to tell you that it's going to lighten your skin in 7 days, in 5 days. And something I've learned in this skincare journey or cosmetic journey is that anything that's going to lighten you within 7 days, run. Just run, because that thing is going to damage your skin. So when you purchase this, on the body of the cream, you're going to see like different shades. The first day, the way you're going, your color is going to be. The second day, the third day, and I used it. I didn't use it as a bleaching cream because I just wanted to get rid of some dark marks on my face. I tried doing a spot treatment, like I was going to take the cream and put it on that spot that was dark. Let me know if it's going to lighten it. And let me tell you, it gave me acne. Like, I don't know, something about my skin is that my skin reacts to things that have harsh chemicals. I don't know if it's because I've been using a lot of natural products on my skin, but anytime I use products that contain harsh chemicals, even if it's just for a day, I'm going to see some kind of reaction. I don't know why, but I'm going to see some kind of reaction. Another one is gold. I've also used gold. I've used it before. They also told me it can get rid of your dark marks, it can get rid of your spots. And I tried it. In the first days, it was working. I was seeing some level of changes on my skin. I was like, okay, maybe this is not as bad as I think it is. But when it finally got to like day 5, I started seeing some kind of reaction. My skin started itching, and I was developing, I won't say it was pimples, but more like tiny bumps on my face. It wasn't pimples, so I didn't even know what to do. I was just so scared. I had to discontinue immediately. Another one that is very cheap, like all these things, something I've learned is that any skincare product that is cheap, run. Like, I'm not saying that it should be very expensive, but I'm just saying skin cream, lotions in that kind of box, it shouldn't be 700 naira, it shouldn't be 200 naira, it shouldn't be 500 naira. So anyone you're seeing from that price range, you got to be scared, you got to be sure of what you're putting on your skin. So the next one is Clinic Clear. So Clinic Clear I've not used before, but I've actually seen people give complaints about this, but I'm telling you, these things are like, these products, they are the fastest selling lightening product in the market. Why? Because they are very affordable and it is widely used. So something about all these products is that they are all bleaching creams. So is either they contain hydroquinone, kojic acid, mercury, or some kind of steroids. So there is also steroid acne. So when I think that's what happened to me, because some of these products contain steroids, and when you use steroids for a long time, it's going to give you steroid acne, which is usually body acne, back acne. So these are things that occur from using this product. So one thing that people don't know about using lightening products is that they don't like heat. Our weather is hot. I'm sweating right now. They don't like heat. You cannot like apply these things on your skin and you go into the sun. It's like a frying pop-off. It's like a frying some kind of donut or pie, because it's just going to, when the sun ray hits it, it's going to start frying up, and that is when you see you're going to develop sunburn. Is that underneath your eye or somewhere around your face? Is going to just be a lot of discoloration going on, and that is not what you want. So what I recommend for people who eventually want to use it, like if your skin tolerates it, who am I to say don't use it? But I'm telling you that some of these ingredients are not good when used excessively. So but if you insist that you want to use it, the best time for you to use bleaching or lightening product is to use it at night. There is no sun exposure. You are not exposed to any sun. So when you use it at night, in the morning you take your bath and you're out the door, nothing. You're not going to get sunburns. But I'm not someone to support bleaching because, okay, let's say kojic acid. Kojic acid is not really bad. Kojic acid, all these ingredients, they have limitations, they have quantities that they should be used in different kind of products. So depending on the product that you have, you should know the level, the stipulated, like there is an agency for this, that they say this is the quantity you should use. But people tend to go far into using this product because they want results ASAP. They want their customers to say, okay, I lighten in 5 days. That is not true. Any product that lightens you that quick, you should run. Leave your money. Forget about the money. Throw that product out of your shelf, of your room, because that product is dangerous. So these things, mercury, hydroquinone, kojic acid, and steroids, they have some kind of benefits. They have their own benefits. So what hydroquinone does is that it reduces the level of melanin on your skin. So the production of melanin shuts it down. So you're going to become lighter. So that is what hydroquinone does. So but this bath that this person was having on this video, I did not understand what was going on, or why someone should put themselves in those kinds of situations, because our organs are at risk. Like, everywhere is open, a woman's body is open, and you're literally soaked in something that I don't know the levels of kojic acid. I don't know what's going on there. So I was even irritated the first time I watched it, but this is just to show you that people want to be light, and I'm nobody to stop them. But let me give you a rundown of the negative effect of using bleaching creams, bleaching products. Let's be honest with ourselves. Skin whitening, skin lightening, skin brightening, they're all the same thing, bleaching. They just reduce the word bleaching because it scares people away from the product. So let me give you like the negative effects of using these bleaching creams on your skin. The first one is they contain mercury, which can cause nephrotic syndrome, which is kidney disorder. So using bleaching cream can cause you kidney disorder. The first of these negative effects is nephrotic syndrome, which is usually caused by the high dosages of mercury in your products. So they can cause kidney disorder. This nephrotic syndrome is really a kidney related disease, and it is caused by using lots of mercury in your product. Even in the US, mercury is not allowed to be used in any lightening or brightening products. The second one is steroid acne. I talked about this. Some products contain steroid, and when you use steroid for a long period of time, it's going to even give you more acne. It's going to make your skin look really bad. The third one is blue-black pigmentation. I know you've seen a lot of people's skin, especially people who bleach. You're going to see them having different colors on your skin, from red to black to green, and they don't look good. Let's be honest, they don't look good. The next one is cancer. This lady that immersed herself in this water, she doesn't know what that wash is. She doesn't know what it contains. So, and it's all her skin is exposed to this thing, which can cause cancer in the nearest future. That somebody did it and didn't develop cancer doesn't mean that when you do, you're not going to develop it, because honestly, our bodies are very, very different. We react differently to different products, so we should be very careful what we do to our skin. The next one is dermatitis. So it can cause you dermatitis on your skin, and you don't want that. Another one is mercury poisoning, which can cause you to be sensitive to light. So when you're exposed to light, mercury can make you to have sensitivity to that. You're going to start, oh my god, I don't want light, I don't want light. Mercury can cause that for you. It can cause you high blood pressure, and that is why it's called mercury poisoning. When you've used high dosages of mercury in your product, it's going to later eventually lead to mercury poisoning. Another one is burnt skin, discoloration, redness, and liver failure. So using these bleaching creams, they can either cause you kidney failure, liver failure, or cancer. The lesser effects are like discoloration of the skin, acne, dermatitis, itchiness, and other ones. But the major things, the underlying health condition that using bleaching creams can cause for you include cancer, kidney failure, and liver failure. So these skincare products, I've listed these products, and I've also seen, like, you know, in this time there are lots of skincare products coming out. Some companies are like going into skincare products, and let me warn you, when you see a product that has over 18 products in the pack and they say it is 5,000, my sister, run, because it's obvious that where did they get their raw materials? Is that their raw materials are not well made, or the products are going to damage your skin. So you really need to be careful what you do. And the annoying part is that a lot of parents even bleach their skin, and they also bleach their kids' skin, which I don't even understand the logic in that. You're exposing your child to underlying health conditions, you're exposing yourself to health conditions just because you want to be light skinned. There are natural ingredients you can use. There are some that I've talked about on my channel. I'm going to put the link on the screen, so you're going to click and see how you can lighten your skin safely using these products at home. So guys, I hope this was informative. I hope that you find this helpful. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.